So for this project, these are the few supplies that you are going to require. Most of them I did get at Michael's, however I did get a few of them from the Dollar Tree store. So the first step that we're going to do is actually cut the wire to do the outline of the mini ears. I'm using a ruler here to basically show you. I cut each ear about 13 inches. It really just depends how big you want the ears to be. And here you see me cutting one side, and then I'm going to measure it and cut the other end. So before we start to shape the ears, I want to go ahead and add all the beads on each end, and then after that we can go ahead and shape the ears. So you can see here, once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and leave each side probably like an inch. And you want to take something round. I'm just using this pencil holder that I got from Dollar Tree, and basically I measure it out, and then I go ahead and twist the end so that it's nice and tight. So you can see here how each one comes out. So now that each ear has been perfectly shaped, I'm going to go ahead and measure out exactly where I'm going to hot glue the ear on each side. I did mark it in red just to see exactly where the center was, and I'll do it to both sides. Now I'm also going to take two little pieces of ribbon, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it to the end of the headband. That way when I wrap it with the ribbon, you won't be able to see the end of the white headband. So now the next step is basically I'm going to start wrapping the headband in the ribbon, and I'm going to start at the end. Before I start fully wrapping it, I want to make sure that the end is cooled off. So here I'm working in very small sections just to make sure that the glue doesn't dry before the ribbon is wrapped around the headband. You want to make sure that when you wrap it, you pull on the ribbon very tight so it doesn't come apart, especially around the ears, because it's basically extra security that the ears won't fall off. So this is what the headband is going to look like after you finish wrapping it, and then now we're going to go ahead and just apply all the flowers. You can't really see exactly how I'm doing it, but I'm basically just working in sections with the hot glue gun. I do add the leaves to basically the back of the headband just for a pop of color, and these flowers I actually purchased from the Dollar Tree. I think I only got maybe one or two bouquets, and it was $1 each, and it came with about 6 to 8 flowers per bouquet, so it's pretty affordable.